Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à notre chaîne French Pro Global. Hello friends, and I'm here again with you, and I'm going to teach you today a very important topic, that is nationality. So after this class you will be able to ask nationality of any person, and you will also be able to answer your nationality. All right, so let's start the class. Topic is nationality, and we pronounce in French as nationalité. Nationalité, all right. So if you have to ask nationality, अगर आपको किसी से उसकी nationality पूछनी है तो आपको एक sentence use करना होगा, and that is quelle est votre nationalité? What is your nationality? Repeat again. Quelle est votre nationalité? Quelle est votre nationalité? What is your nationality? Okay. उसके बाद what you have to do, you have to answer what is your nationality. Okay, so in order to answer you should know important verb, that is être. Être means to be. It is translated as am, is, are in English language. Okay, so I have already taught you this verb in my previous video, so kindly go in the description. I have added the link. You click and you watch that video and you will have more information about this verb être. All right. Okay, so être is conjugated as je suis, I am, tu es, you are, il est, he is, elle est, she is, nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are, ils, elles sont, they are. All right. So this you should know in order to answer your nationality. All right. For example, if you are a boy, if you are a male, you have to say I am. For example, me, I am Indian, so I have to say je suis indien. Je suis indien, which means I am Indian. I have written here in the bracket, M indicates masculine. All right, je suis indien. But if you are a female, अगर आप एक गर्ल हैं, फीमेल हैं, तो आपको ये यूज नहीं करना. You don't have to use this. All right, so you have to say je suis indien. Indian. All right. So now repeat once again. Je suis Zandien. So why I am pronouncing Zandien? Because this is consonant and the next word is a starting vowel. तो हम मिला के पढ़ते हैं. That process in French is called liaison. Faire la liaison. All right. Je suis Zandien. Or if you are a female, je suis Zandienne. Je suis Zandienne. All right. Now I have given you here list of nationality, masculine nationalities, feminine nationality, because nationality in French language is based on gender. So if you are a male, you have to use male forms. If you are a female, you have to use female forms. Okay. So in order to explain you in a very clear way, so I have taken this il est, he is. So in this section all the masculine forms are here. Elle est, she is, all the feminine nationalities are here. So please listen what I am going to read and how I am going to read, and you have to pronounce after me. All right. So il est, which means he is, indien. Elle est, which means she is indienne. Okay. So now repeat the nationality. Indien, indienne. Italien, italienne. Canadien, canadienne. Repeat again. Indien, indienne. Italien, italienne. Canadien, canadienne. All right. One thing you have to observe, I have underlined in green color IEN. All right. Here also. So this is just a tip for you. All right. How you can understand and how you can make from masculine to feminine. It's very easy. So whenever you see any nationality ending with IEN, just you have to add one more N and then E, then it becomes feminine. All right. You see IEN becomes IENNE. Same thing here. IEN becomes IENNE. Here IEN becomes IENNE. So this is a general rule. So if you know this, so you can make this one also. All right. So that is why I have underlined these green. So these are the rules. All right. So this will help you to make masculine nationality to feminine. All right. Okay. Now repeat once again. Indien, Indien, Italien, Italien, Canadien, Canadien. Next, Français, Français, Française, Français, Française. See, so whenever you have AIS ending, then you have to add only E. Okay, E. So now how it is pronounced? Français, Française. Why I am pronouncing Z sound? So whenever you have single S, for example, if you have a single S and before that and after that you have a vowel, all right. So if single S is in between two vowel, then S is pronounced as Z. You can see here, S is in between two vowel, I and E, both are vowel. So that is why I am pronouncing Z. So Français, it becomes Française. All right. Next, Anglais, Anglaise, Anglais, Anglaise, Japonais, Japonaise, Japonais, Japonaise, Américain, American, Americain, American. Next, but there are some nationalities that doesn't follow that rule, that pattern, so you have to memorize those nationality. So for example, Espanol, 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 sorry, it must be E. Espanol, Espanol, Allemand, Allemande, Allemand, Allemande. Now you must be thinking about the meaning, all right. So I will be telling you the meaning now. Indien, Indian is in Indian. Italien, Italian, it's Italian. Canadien, Canadian, it's Canadian. Français, Française, it's French. Anglais, Anglaise, it's British. All right. Japonais, Japonese, it's Japanese. America, America, American, it's American. Espanol, Espanol, it's Spanish. Allemand, Allemande, it's German. All right. I hope this is clear to you. So from now onwards, you are going to ask nationality. Suppose if you have to ask my nationality, so how will you ask? Quelle est votre nationalité? Okay. So what answer I am supposed to give you? Je suis Indien. Je suis Indien. All right. So I hope this is clear and you are writing, you are making notes. I hope so. All right. So if you liked something, if you in my video and if you really learning something from my video, so kindly share my video, like it and subscribe and ask your family members to subscribe it as well. All right. Bye bye. Au revoir.